Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best photo albums that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Totocan Leather Vintage Photo Album. If you want to fill an album with photos of your grandparents, your children, and other treasured memories, this high-quality leather photo album would suit you well. It comes with durable pages made of thick hardboard. They stick shut with a magnet and will keep photos secure with an easy-to-see-through overlay. Even better, there's plenty of space for large wedding album photos, or to add some scrapbook-style scripts or drawings around each photo, such as dates and names. Some customers find the color of the album to be misleading and say that it looks more green in person. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Pioneer Photo Album's Magnetic Self-Stick 3-Ring Photo Album. This traditional style photo album is great for those looking for one that's thick, sturdy, and can hold its structure for years to come. It has a plastic cover overlay and navy-colored leatherette cover material with gold lining around the edges for an attractive look. In addition, it comes with 3 strong ring binders that can be refilled, as well as 100 pages and 50 sheets. Some customers say the book itself is smaller than they expected, but that it can still hold photos in a variety of sizes, which stay secure from the magnetic overlay. Overall, this is a great photo album for the price. At number 3, we have the Pioneer Photo Album's Fabric Frame. For a beautiful, classic photo album that can hold a wide range of photos, such as your kids as babies and memories of a girl's weekend away, this affordable Pioneer Photo Album is a great pick. What's special about this one is the soft fabric cover on the front that includes a window to add your favorite photo. It also has a rounded spine for easy open and close. In addition, this album holds up to 200 photos, both vertically and horizontally, and even has a small space next to each pocket to write down photo titles. At number 2, we have the Potricher Linen Hardcover Photo Album. This photo album seems like it would fit right into your living space, especially since it is wrapped in a soft linen fabric. With 120 pages, 60 sheets, and a 5 photos per page capacity, this album is ideal for those who have too many family photos to count and need somewhere to put them. Customers describe this album as being durable and sturdy, although they say that the sleeves are bigger than the product claims, which causes their photos to slip out. Similar to the previous photo album, this one also has a front window to display your most cherished memory. And finally, at number 1, we have the RECUTMS Leather Photo Album. This large cover photo album has enough space for various memories, such as all of your children's birthday parties, international trips, and bachelor parties. It has a large window on the cover that is easy to open to display your favorite photos, which is made of a smooth leather that is both acid lignin and PVC free. What's great about this photo album is how much space it has. A 600-page capacity, 5 6x4-inch photos per page, and 60 double-sided pages total. In addition, this album comes with 5 clear pocket pages to store extra memories. Although some customers say that the pages feel cheap, most seem pretty pleased with this photo album overall. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.